Babu's Build Lab. Sneak, sneak. Let's take a peek.
Lights and shadows.
Hello, little explorers. You are able to see me only because of one important thing: light. Take light out. Now you can't. Well, let's see what happens when we play with light.
Sneak, sneak, sneak. Let's take a peek. Oh! Who's that? It's following me.
Babu, just a shadow. Don't worry.
Huh? 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 Ah. Ha! Wow. Oh, it's waving back.
It's just me, Babu.
Whoa.
Oh, wow. That's so cool.
But how is this magic happening?
Let me explain.
Oh,
When light shines and something blocks it.
oh,
Nice.
a shadow.
Yes. When light cannot pass through something, it makes a shadow.
So I was blocking the light.
Exactly.
Oh.
What happens when I put this?
Oh. Somebody's having tea. Wow, so beautiful.
The shadow also moves.
Mhm.
Why are the shadows so long when the blocks are so tiny?
That's because of the direction of the light.
Direction of light?
So what happens when the light is in this direction?
It looks like the shadows are longer.
What about now?
Oh.
Shorter?
And now?
Longer?
Oh.
Aha! And what happens if I do this?
Oh. The shadow is dancing. Shadows follow big or small. I can make them on the wall.
So, is that why shadows are longer in the morning and shorter in the afternoon?
Yes. Morning and evening, the sun is towards the side. And afternoon, the sun is on the top. Not everything blocks light.
Oh,
What if light only passes through a little?
oh, that's so cool.
Very soft.
Yes.
The light's passing through?
Yes.
Wow.
See what happens now.
Yeah.
It's dancing. Will light pass through this? It's pretty solid.
Let's see.
Wow. Green shadow.
It's green.
Yes. Light is passing through a green object, so it's making a green shadow.
Oh,
Hmm. That's a bird flying. Wow. Oh, it's a reindeer. That's a dog. Wow, look, I am eating light. Nom 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 nom. Tap tap. How does this work?
Careful, Babu. This is a prism. This can turn light into a rainbow.
a
Really?
rainbow?
Yes.
What?
How?
Show me.
Show me.
Okay.
Whoa.
Wow.
That's so cool.
Where is this coming from?
From the same light.
Huh?
Yeah. Well, light is actually made up of all these colors.
Oh.
So, all these colors mix up into one white color?
Yes, exactly.
Oh.
See, Babu?
Oh. Wow. So much to learn about light.
And so much to learn about shadows, which is no light.
Wow. Shadows follow big or small. We can make them on the wall.
Little explorers out there, today we learned that shadows are formed when light is blocked. Moving light changes shadows, and some materials let light pass through, and some will split it into a rainbow.
States of matter.
Hello, little explorers. Did you ever wonder why your ice cream melts quickly during summers and how rain puddles disappear on their own?
Sneak, sneak. Let's take a peek. Oh. I feel so hot. I need something cold. Oh, me too. I wish I can have some ice cream. Ice! I said ice cream, Babu, not ice. But I see ice. Oh, it's very cool. Oh, it's slipping. It's dripping. Oh no, it's disappearing. Oh, show me, show me. Oh no, it's gone.
No, it's not gone, Babu. It's changing.
Huh? Changing?
Yes, ice and water are the same thing. Ice is
Oh.
a solid form, and when it gets warmer, turns into its liquid form, which is water.
Oh, same thing, new form.
Exactly.
Do other things also change?
Yes, like candles, butter, chocolate. They all change from solid to liquid when things get hotter.
Oh.
Little explorers at home, can you find something that melts?
What if it gets more hot?
Great question. Let's test it out.
What happens now? Oh, it's going away again. Oh,
When water gets very hot, it turns into a gas. See these white wavy lines? This is water evaporating and mixing into air. It's called steam.
I see these white lines on all very hot foods also.
Yes, water in your hot food is going into air.
Invisible water.
Yes,
Oh, like clothes dry in the sun?
yes. When things get hot, we saw that ice changes from hard solid to watery liquid to airy gas.
Oh, I get it. Ice to water and water to steam.
Exactly.
What happens when it gets colder?
What do you think?
Back into water?
Let's find out.
Oh. It's raining.
It's gas turning into liquid when it touches something cold.
Oh, gas to liquid. Oh, I know. That's how it rains from sky.
Yes.
And when water goes to the fridge, oh, it becomes ice. I need more ice. I need need more ice. I need
Let
more
me give
ice.
you all something even better than ice.
What?
Here is some watermelon juice. Let's pour it into these bowls, okay?
Yes, I'm so excited. To happen, I'm too excited. Popsicles, popsicles.
Watermelon juice became watermelon ice. Little explorers out there, today we learned that things can be solid, liquid, or gas. Heat and cold changes things. These changes happen all around us.
It's too cold. Science in nature.
Hello, little explorers. Welcome back to my Build Lab, where we look closely, think deeply, and discover amazing things.
Sneak, sneak. Let's take a peek. Oh. I can see something.
Really, Babu?
Wow. Yes. I see something tiny moving.
Come here, Babu.
Oh,
Look in here.
really? What? There's something there. But but there was nothing on the plate.
Some things are so small that we cannot see it with our eyes. That's why we need a microscope. Little explorers, the world is full of tiny things we cannot see without help.
So, there is a whole tiny world hiding somewhere?
Yes.
Wow.
Hi, Dinesh sir.
Hi.
What are you looking at?
A secret tiny world.
Huh?
Can I see too?
Sure.
A secret tiny world?
Huh?
Where?
Oh, yeah.
Right here.
Whoa! What are those tiny things? They look really cool. So there's been a world this tiny
Yes.
all this time?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Yeah, it actually does.
What do you think is the smallest living thing in the world?
A grasshopper.
A rat?
Try again.
A mosquito.
Ants.
Smaller.
Oh, what?
Huh?
Even smaller than that?
Yes,
Yeah.
even smaller than that.
But how?
There are things that we cannot see with our eyes.
Whoa!
So what do you think is the biggest?
The biggest?
Gorilla?
What about elephant?
Lion?
A giraffe. Definitely a giraffe. Yeah.
Even bigger.
What? Yeah, big. A giant pig.
Biggest animal is blue whale.
Blue whale?
Life exists in all sizes, from very small to very big.
Oh.
Oh, so the world is tiny and giant.
Exactly. Little explorers, look around you. What tiny things can you find? What big things can you see?
Tiny, hard to see. Big, dollars can be. Look around far and near. A whole new world will appear. Wow. Is someone living there? Hello.
Wow. This is a nest. It's so strong.
This is a bird's nest.
Oh,
Birds build these with twigs, grass, and bits of thread
thread?
with their beaks.
Oh.
What? With just their beaks?
Yes, no glue, no tools. They just carefully place each piece one by one.
Whoa,
This is a honeycomb.
it's so delicate.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Many lots. Oh,
This shape is called hexagon.
hex what?
Hexagon.
Ah.
Bees build these tiny rooms to store honey
But why this shape?
because this fits perfectly.
Oh,
No gaps, no wasted space.
it's so neat. So bees are tiny builders?
Exactly.
Are there more builders like this?
Oh, yes. A whole world.
Oh, I know. Ants build complex tunnels underground.
Spiders build webs stronger than steel.
And termites build mounds which are self-air conditioning.
So many things, and we don't even notice.
Yes, you just have to observe.
We can poke, look, and see. Nature builds so cleverly.
Little explorers at home. Today we learned that some things are too small to see. Life comes in many sizes. And nature is full of ideas.
Eehee! Friends, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. While I peek and poke, twist and see, and explore something new. Come back next time to learn how the world works. Sneak, sneak, let's take a peek.